Hello and welcome to Programs and Me YouTube channel. In this Python programming video tutorials for beginners, next let's talk about flow of a Python program or control flow. Our programs includes set of instructions, right? And by default, Python executes code line by line from top to bottom. For example, here we have a program. In this, it will first print line 1, then line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 5. So in the output we'll get like this: line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. This is known as sequential execution or sequential flow. Here, execution flow or control flow determines the order in which individual statements, instructions are executed or evaluated in a Python program. And not all Python programs execute strictly line by line from top to bottom. That is the default behavior. Python can change the execution flow using loops, conditionals, functions, or loop control statements. We can repeat a block of code multiple times using loops, or we can skip or choose certain parts of code to run based on conditions using conditionals. Or you can run block of code only when you need using functions. Or we can alter the flow of the loop using loop control statements. So in this series, starting from the next tutorial, we'll dive into control flow statements in Python. We'll talk about conditional statements, we'll talk about loops, we'll talk about loop control statements, and we'll talk about functions. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.